here is the tricky question. Write a query to list employee ID, employee name, minimum and maximum salary month. Which month is minimum and maximum, and minimum salary and maximum salary amount. So stop a moment here and think how to write a query for this. Okay, now I will show here how I achieved this requirement. I created a sample data. I created two tables here. One table with employee ID and employee name, and one table with salary, like employee ID, salary date, and then salary amount. So here is the data what I entered here, 6 names, and I given data for in salary table 6 months of values for 6 employees. And similarly, I given for 2020 and 2021, 2 years, so that we can see how we can achieve this for in multi-year environment. And here is the query. See, there are 2 parts for this query. One is for maximum salary, for minimum salary and minimum salary date, and another query is maximum salary and maximum salary date. So how I wrote this query is, I am taking salary amounts and I am giving a row number, means an order number, in which, say, suppose for example, you see, for this employee, for employee number 2, the maximum salary is 4,000, that is having only 1 month, and minimum is 2,000 salary, that is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months having minimum salary. So here what we should get is the lowest month, that is the starting of minimum salary, and say suppose for the same employee, here I am having 2,000 in 5 rows and 1,500 minimum salary in 1 row. So in this case, maximum salary we should get the maximum month, that is June, and in this case minimum salary we should get January month. So that's how we should. That is why I created a subquery. I created a subquery for inner join, and I created one row ID. I created a row ID based on the employee ID and year column. So and these 2 queries I'm doing union, and that union I'm doing a grouping here. See here, group by employee ID and year, salary year, and order by, or of course order by. So here I'm adding employee name to get here I'm adding employee EMP table, so to get employee name, say ename. This is the query. So let me run this entire thing. See, this is the output. So let us check how whether my query is working or not. See, for employee ID 1 for 2020, March is the minimum month and May is the maximum. So for employee ID 1 for 2020, March is the minimum, that is March, and 3,000 is the minimum here, and the maximum is May. Okay, so for 2021, March is the minimum and February is the maximum. See, March is the minimum minimum is March, that is 3000, and February is 9000. So this is a maximum. Okay, here this is a little bit tricky here. For employee ID 2, for 2020, January is the minimum and April is the maximum. See, January, February, March, May, June. These 5 months having minimum. But what our rule is, we have to take the lowest of the one, because only 1 month we can take, so we are taking the lowest. And maximum is having only 1 month, so I am taking 4000 here. This for the month of April. Okay, let's see for employee ID 2 for 2021, minimum is $1,500. That is in the month of April. Here in the month of April, see, this is in the month of April, $1,500, and in the month of June, $2,000. So $2,000 is the maximum that is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months having. But when we need to take the maximum, we have to take the maximum month. So that is why we are taking here. In this case, maximum salary case, June. That's how we achieved. Please go through the query. If you have any questions, please do let me know. And if you have any better way, please let me know. Thank you. Take care. Bye.